Imagine a silent, endless ocean between the stars. For centuries, we've stood on its shore, casting our nets of science and wonder. We listened for whispers, sent messages, and waited for a reply. On September 12, 2025, the ocean answered, not with a gentle wave, but a thunderclap. A fleet of metallic spheres discovered shadowing the interstellar object 3I/Atlas shattered our solitude. This isn't just another astronomical finding, it redefines our place in the universe and forces us to confront the possibility that we are not alone. The news rippled across the globe, dominating every conversation and headline. The discovery of these precise metallic objects orbiting a visitor from another star system has become the most important event in human history. It's a mirror reflecting our hopes, fears, and deepest curiosities. This is about us, what we do next, now that the silence has been broken. The questions these spheres raise are for all of humanity. Are they probes, debris, a message, or something beyond our science? The journey to find answers will test our wisdom, unity, and courage. We've gazed at the stars from afar, but now, something from the stars is looking back. The age of innocence is over. A new chapter in our cosmic story has begun. We stand at a precipice, facing a future that's suddenly vast and uncertain. The implications will shape generations, influencing our technology, philosophy, and even our definition of life. The universe has sent us a riddle, wrapped in metal and mystery. Our response will define us forever. To grasp the sphere's significance, we must first understand their host 3I/Atlas, only the third interstellar object ever detected. Its hyperbolic trajectory confirmed it came from beyond our solar system, a true messenger from another star. Scientists worldwide trained their telescopes on it, eager to study a pristine sample from another solar system. 3I/Atlas, several kilometers wide, was a mix of ice, rock, and dust, behaving like a typical comet as it neared the sun. Spectroscopy revealed familiar elements: water, carbon, nitrogen. But the real surprise wasn't the comet itself, but what traveled with it. The discovery of Oumuamua in 2017 had already primed us for the extraordinary. 3I/Atlas arrived in a world ready to question assumptions and look for anomalies. We weren't just searching for comets, we were searching for the unknown. The spheres orbiting 3I/Atlas would challenge everything we thought we knew. This was not just another rock from space, it was a harbinger of something far greater. The stage was set for a discovery that would change everything. The revelation of the spheres was gradual, but chilling. As 3I/Atlas neared the sun, astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope spotted distinct points of light moving in controlled patterns. At first they were thought to be fragments, but soon the truth emerged. Dozens of perfectly spherical, highly reflective metallic objects. Spectroscopy hinted at alloys not found in nature, titanium, iron, suggesting a technological origin. Nature does not create perfect metallic spheres, these are artifacts. 76 objects, each 10-30 meters in diameter, maintained a structured formation, defying natural gravitational forces. Their thermal signatures fluctuated with solar orientation, as if drawing energy from the sun. This was not debris, this was a fleet, a swarm, perhaps a reconnaissance mission. Independent teams worldwide confirmed the data. Radio telescopes listened for signals, but so far, only silence. That silence is profound, suggesting technology either dormant, stealthy, or beyond our comprehension. The world now watches, breath held, as these silent spheres journey with their interstellar host. The greatest mystery of our time has arrived. The discovery instantly became the planet's top geopolitical issue. The UN Security Council convened an emergency session, grappling with questions of planetary security and protocol. Who speaks for Earth? What if these objects represent an intelligent civilization? Old rivalries flared as nations assessed the situation through their own interests. The US, Russia, and China launched high-level briefings, fearing both threat and opportunity. A new, undeclared space race began, not for the moon, but for 3I/Atlas and its spheres. The Outer Space Treaty was suddenly inadequate. Debates raged over communication, interception, and control. Joint scientific committees formed, but beneath the surface, competition intensified. Defense agencies poured billions into surveillance and propulsion. The spheres are now a strategic prize, accelerating both unity and division. Our response may determine the fate of our species. The economic shock was immediate and dramatic. Global markets plunged as investors feared alien technology could upend entire industries. Aerospace, defense, AI, and advanced materials soared, while traditional sectors collapsed. A first contact economy emerged, with billions invested in startups promising to unlock alien secrets. The price of rare metals spiked, reshaping the global economy in real time. The spheres represent a potential technological leap, one that could solve humanity's greatest challenges or deepen inequality. Governments proposed massive research initiatives reminiscent of the Apollo era, but the risk is immense. Whoever controls this technology could dominate the future. The spheres are a mirror reflecting both our economic dynamism and our inequalities. The challenge: ensure this new reality benefits all, not just a select few. Beyond politics and markets, the discovery has transformed daily life and culture. For the first time, humanity shares a single global event, united by awe, wonder, and anxiety. Social media blazes with theories, memes, and hope. The spheres have become a new North Star, sparking conversations everywhere. Religions and philosophies are re-examining their beliefs. New movements emerge, venerating the spheres. Attendance at observatories and planetariums soars. The arts explode with creativity. Public reaction is a mix of hope and fear, with rising demands for transparency. The discovery is a great unifier, momentarily eclipsing old divisions. We are reminded we share one fragile planet, looking up at the same sky. The spheres offer a chance to see ourselves as a single species on the cusp of a new era. The scientific community is ablaze with debate and speculation. Theories abound. Are the spheres a natural phenomenon? Increasingly unlikely. The leading idea: they are technological probes. Perhaps von Neumann probes, self-replicating explorers sent across the galaxy. Their coordinated flight and metallic composition support this. Some suggest they are sentinels, monitoring emerging civilizations like ours. Others propose they are Bracewell probes, waiting for a specific response before revealing their purpose. Another theory: they are ancient relics, the last remnants of a vanished civilization, a cosmic tombstone. Distinguishing between these theories is science's most urgent task. The answer will shape our next steps. The stakes could not be higher. In this extraordinary time, expert voices are crucial. Dr. Jill Tarter urges caution. We must listen more carefully than ever before. Dr. Hakeem Olusei marvels at the sphere's movement. This is not debris, this is engineering. He points to their energy efficiency and unknown physics. Dr. Sarah Seeger highlights the connection between the spheres and 3I/Atlas. They are a system. We cannot understand one without the other. She suggests the spheres may be harvesting materials from the comet. Lord Martin Rees warns of the Great Filter, the idea that advanced civilizations may destroy themselves. The spheres could be a warning or a danger. All agree, our response must be global, unified, and cautious. This convergence of opinions is shaping a responsible global response. The stakes are unprecedented. The world is watching and deciding what comes next. The spheres of 3I/Atlas have thrust humanity into a new reality. We are no longer just observers. We are participants in the cosmic story. Our priority: relentless, transparent research, shared globally. This is not a prize for one nation, but a puzzle for all humanity. A global, civilian-led agency should coordinate research and contact protocols. Openness and unity are our only viable paths. Beyond science and politics, this is a moment for public engagement and education. Every human has a stake in this new reality. The spheres are a mirror, reflecting our potential and our challenges. They compel us to see ourselves as a single civilization on the edge of an incredible journey. Whether probes, relics, or something else, they have already changed us. Let us embrace this moment with courage and wisdom. The story of humanity is just beginning.